Good morning to one and all. This year, the Independence Day celebrations is based on the theme Nation First, Always First. This year, India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day. It's a day to remember all those who fought valiantly and sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country. It's a day to celebrate the tricolor with liberty, beauty in diversity, unity in differences, and brotherhood of the largest democracy in the world. This year, the theme of Independence Day celebrations is Nation First, Always First. From paintings to floral arrangements, from hashtags to social messages, all aspects of the programs today bears the theme Nation First, Always First. Last year, the theme for Independence Day celebrations was Atmanirbhar Bharat, or Self-Reliant India. The Honorable Prime Minister presented a broad outline of reforms for spurring India's growth in diverse sectors and asserted that the coronavirus pandemic cannot halt the country's march towards self-reliance. Hailing corona warriors, including doctors, nurses, paramedical staff, and sanitation workers who have been continuously fighting the COVID-19 pandemic, he said the country will achieve victory over coronavirus with the resolve of its over 130 crore citizens. Yes, we see that in the midst of coronavirus pandemic, Indians have resolved to become self-reliant. While talking about the need for overall economic growth and making the country self-reliant, our Honorable Prime Minister emphasizes humanity must retain a central role in this process. Now, what does self-reliance or Atmanirbhar exactly mean? The Webster Dictionary defines self-reliance as reliance on one's own efforts and abilities. The key concepts of self-reliance, which are also the key takeaways for my students on this 75th year of India's independence 2021, are threefold. Number one, thinking independently, meaning trusting one's own instincts and having confidence in voicing it out. Number two, embracing your individuality, that is, standing for what you are and what you want to become. Number three, striving towards your own goals bravely, that is, being true to yourself, being capable of independent thought, and being able to pursue them independently. So having said that, I come back to the theme of 75th Independence Day, Nation First, Always First. I pay my tribute to all our brave hearts for whom nation was indeed first and who lost their lives, saving the lives of others. And I salute those frontline warriors who have pledged themselves to be always first and who continue to risk their lives in saving others' lives. Jai Hind.
Into the heaven of freedom, my father. Lead my country awake by Rabindranath Tagore. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where the words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert of dead habits, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father, lead my country awake. A very happy Independence Day 2021.
Good morning everyone. My name is Srijana Rai and I'm from Sociology Department, second year, and I'm going to perform a solo dance and Happy Independence Day.
हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे बड़ा देश हमारा है। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे बड़ा देश हमारा है। जन्मभूमि हम शान से कहेंगे हम, सभी तो भाई भाई प्यार से रहेंगे हम। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है।
यहाँ कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे कैसे हैं, अरे जो भी है जैसे है, खुद पे हम नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना। हम चार हम इश्क़ दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से दुनिया वाले, छूते उनके हार से दुनिया वाले, छूले हार से दुनिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले। तुम तो सीधे बड़े, कभी चाहे तो रातों से लेते लकीरें चुरा। हमको परवाह नहीं, जो भी कहता है कहने दे, जमीन बनाया बुरा। जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी, करते हैं हंसी होशियारी। दिल से यार जो ने पुकार तो जंग सा करता है, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से दुनिया वाले, छूते दिल के हार से दुनिया वाले, छूते हार से दुनिया वाले, दुश्मन के छल्ले छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, उंगली में सिर को नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
आँखों में चाबी